This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Matt Wood. Cool bungalow located in the historic Evergreen District. Awesome front porch. Hardwood flooring, smooth ceilings and custom millwork. Updated kitchen featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, wine/beverage cooler and gas cooking. New tankless water heater. Renovated hall bath featuring vessel sink and tiled walk-in shower. Laundry room basement plus walk-in attic. Detached workshop with roll-up door and chicken coop. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Wood at 901-861-4808.